what's up guys? Welcome back to Fishing with Jason today. Today we're going creek fishing in a back creek right behind my house back here, and I hope you guys are ready for that adventure because there's a ton of microfish and I think we're gonna get a good amount of them. So let's do it. Okay guys, so we've made it to the spot here and it's looking a little bit murkier than usual, but I can already see some fish swimming around and they look a little bit bigger than last time, so hopefully they're biting today. I think we should get a good bite going though. It's nice and warm outside. We haven't had rain in a while, so I think we'll be fine. So we're gonna get to this right now, and this is the water. Okay, and today for bait, we're just using little hot dogs on a tiny hook with a baby weight. Because these fish are smaller, on the smaller end, because we are in a creek, so they're more on the micro size. They love hot dogs, but gotta get that small hook so they can fit in their mouth. So here we go. First drop in. Let me stand up. Just gonna drop it right in. Bam. Oh, already missed one. Got him. No way. I suck. How did I lose that? Okay. They are hungry today. Okay, here we go. Second drop. Oh, that's a good one. Green sunfish. Let me just put my rod in this tree to hold it up. Bam. There we go. First guy on the board. It's looking nice and pretty. The green little stripes on him on both the sides. Very pretty fish. Close enough to the tree. You got the big boys that come out and eat it. Looks like they're not home today. Getting smashed over there. Just can't hook them. Oh, no way. Got me tangled up, bro. Just get that untangled and back in there. Creek chub. And it's a bigger one, guys. Rod up there. This guy's still little compared to the ones I know that are in here, but it's another microfish. Got robbed. Got to get another piece of bait on there and go back in. Never mind. Drop the piece of bait in the water. This is a big piece room. God damn. There we go. These hot dogs are so old. that they're hard to even break apart. But we got the hot dog broken apart. Okay, here we go. Bam. Next bait on. Hopefully that means another fish on. Okay, here we go. Oh, missed one. Just waiting. Oh, missed one again, bro. These guys are probably tiny, tiny. Okay, here we go. Let it take it. Let it bite. Let it bite. That was right under the tree. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try to get that fish. Bam. Got it. Oh my god.
Big boy. I think I saw your hot dog fall off.
It did. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I can check the footage later. See if you guys also just saw that, but that was incredible. This dude. Off the hook. Get it? Off the hook, guys? What a dad joke. Bam. Another nice green sunfish. Is that blood on his tail? They might be bedding up in here. There are some little guys swimming around from last year. There's always enough nutrients in here, but... Okay, here we go. There he goes. Say bye-bye. Bam. And he's gone. Okay, Gills. I'm gonna watch him do this, guys. In opposite way. Just like that, see? Guys, that was his first fish. Did he take it off his own hook? There we go, that's how you teach people. Okay, here we go. Bug just flew in my eye. Ooh, missed him. Oop, I'm getting hit. Did you miss one?
It's like the little fish that aren't able to get the hot dog in their mouth.
We're back under the tree. I think I have an idea real quick. Just to see. Take a little tiny walk over here. There's another deep hole right here as well. Head up in it. Bam. Just like that. Luckily he didn't swallow it, because he almost did. That is the sucky thing about these small fish, and the big guys too with a small hook. They all can swallow it, and I don't have pliers on me. But he's a nice little guy. Get him back in the water. No! You stupid fishy. Ready? I'm just gonna give him a nice bam. Right in the water. Hayden, you pass me a hot dog. Like, grab one and just throw one at me. Bam. Just like that on the hook. Here we go. Oh, no way. Lost a creek chub. Missed him again. Okay, here we go. Third time's the charm, guys? Bam. Third time's the charm. I have no idea what the fish count is. I'm gonna have to put one in though. What are we at?
I don't know.
We're way over 20 probably. And we might be right at 20. God, these fish, bro. He's gonna get in. Let's watch him get in. No way. Bro, you're an inch from it. Flop one more time and you're in.
I died.
No, he didn't. Bam. And he's back. There's a bug on my finger. Back in, same piece of hot dog. Here we go. Missed one. Got a fish. Little baby guy. Bam. Gives me a better chance of hooking up with these guys. Okay, here we go. Bam. He's a pretty one. But yeah, like I was just saying before he flopped out of my hands. Trick that I've learned over my time is if you do hook a fish that is deeper in his mouth that you can't get with your fingers and you don't have a piece of pliers with you, grab the weight on the bottom, bring it above the hook, and like pull the hook up straight, like you're pulling the regular line up like up, but with the weight too, and it will actually like just rip a little bit of his mouth on the top to make it to where you can get it out without really doing much damage to any part of the fish. God, this hot dog. These hot dogs are like 3 years old. So they're so stiff. Try to get in this area over here, Hayden. Like in it over here, like right there.
Wait, where? Like where you are?
Try to get it like in like the light. No way. Gotta get one more. Bam, it's a good one. Yes. Okay, so we're probably gonna go looking for another spot, guys. Just to see if there's more areas with these guys. Let's get this big boy off. Bam. He's a nice one. I think he's probably in the top of the biggest category in here. He's got nice little black spots on him. So we're gonna get him back and we're probably gonna keep moving. So let's do it. Let me throw him back, get a nice release on him. Bam. And yeah, so let's keep on moving. Okay, and we're back. We just let the fish settle out for a little bit, just to make sure we don't overwhelm them, because since we are in one spot right now, in creek fishing, they will stop biting. And the other little spot that I had, I almost just stepped on another spider with eggs. But the other spot I had now has a tree falling into it, so the spot is kind of out of limits right now because we can't get to it. I saw some creek chub swimming around. Some of the bigger guys too. That was a creek chub. Dang it. Okay. Oh, shit. All good. We're back in there. Oh, the little guy had it. Gotta take it. Bit it. It's not on it though, not on it. Did you get one? Hayden got one. Little guy. get him back in there. Little guy, pretty colors. So, he's going back in. I wasn't holding him, just kick him back in. I just saw a lizard, bro, under that tree you just moved. Okay, and we're back. Back to the grind. Catching these little monsters. I'm getting hit. I'll take it. Okay, that's the smallest one.
What? Oh.
Oh my god. This thing is tiny. Barely hooked him. He is tiny. Bro, oh my god, I can't hold these guys right now. He made it back. That's the trouble thing about creek fishing. The little guys, they like to squirm a lot. And I just suck at holding them. Right as soon as it hit the water. Oh! As soon as it hit the water, next cast. Back in the same spot. Right as it hit it. Oh my god! I've lost 2 of them. That was a creek chub. Creek chubs are always fun to catch. A little bit more rare. That's yours. Okay. I'm gonna let it take it this time. Bam. He swallowed it. Had to let him take it, but he swallowed it. Where is the weight? Oh, there it is. Okay. I'm gonna do my trick again. Take the fish. Come on, stop flopping. Grab it. Both the weight in this hand. Bam. Just like that, guys. Right out. One of the best tricks I've ever learned. Back in the water he goes. Okay, here we go. Oh, missed him, Hayden. There we go. Back in the water. Oh, it's a creek chub that just hit it. It's a creek chub. I'm gonna catch one of these creek chubs. Hayden and I are gonna catch one of these creek chubs real quick. So to eat it. Got it. No way. Got that one though. Of course I get the smaller one though. No way, he came off. Oh, I can save him. I can't save him. Dang it. I need to get this one. I want to get a big one up close for you guys. This one's swimming through right now. Bam. No way! Oh my god. Bam. Try a smaller bait. This thing's chunky. Or split it in half. That's a bigger one. So this dude doesn't like to calm down. There we go. Things are the slimy ones though. Come on. Stop. Nice little creek chub. He's a little bit bigger. Here he goes. Bam, back in the water. In the water we go. Bam. It's another one next cast. Where I caught my creek chub was right in that dark spot. So you see how it's light right here? And like right there. Kind of like ambush styled it. Don't know, guys. It could be a coincidence, but is it big bait, big fish? Because that's a pretty big bait. And that's a pretty good sized fish for in here. So pretty. Like, that tail on them. The oranges, yellow and the green. Just throw him down right down there. Bam. And he's back. Okay, there you go. Miss one? Oh, I just got robbed, bro. Okay. Got this bait on. We're ready to go in. They're still nibbling on my bait that floated up after that one dude stole it. Should wear some pants, Hayden. Okay. I'm gonna let it bite it for a second. Like that. Oh my god, did I break the even smaller one?
No, I
Think the other one was smaller? Another little guy. There he goes. There we go. I don't know what number we're at, but we're definitely in the 30s. This one is a different species. I think this one is maybe a pumpkin seed. I'm not sure. I don't think it's a green sunfish. It doesn't have like all the green that the normal green sunfish has, but it could very much be one. I've already caught this fish before. Could be a green sunfish maybe. But there he is. There he goes. On to the next one. Okay, here we go. Back in. Baby. Another little guy. Tiny guy. Ah, there he goes. Oh, I got the smallest one. And I caught it in the same spot you're fishing, Hayden. Put it in the dark spot. Yeah. Let it go to the bottom. Did you get eaten already? Did you have one? I was about to say, I'm like, I swear I just saw your bait disappear. But yeah, this is probably the smallest one. Yeah, this one's the smallest one of the day. Because the other smallest one was barely as long as my finger. And this one's shorter. Bam. And back in the water. Put it in the same spot. Just right in here. Something's got it. Dang it, missed them. These flies are going crazy. But we're only probably going to catch a couple more and then go back. It's getting kind of hot. Oh my god. New smallest? Oh. New smallest, guys, maybe? What a little guy. Jesus. Let's get him off the hook and back in the water. Oh, he got himself off the hook. Got him back in the water. Okay. Here we go. Oh, I missed him. Okay. In the money hole. Ah, little guy. Oh, go ahead. Dang it, I suck. Bad cast. Bam. Oh. Oh my god, there's a huge snapping turtle. Oh my god. Bro, I'm gonna try to catch it. You should never try to do this. Do not do this at home, but I'm gonna try to catch this snapping turtle just to show you guys this huge thing. Hayden, come here. Oh my god, I've never seen a snapping turtle in here. Bro, this is the biggest snapping turtle I've ever seen. There's only been like one or maybe it's probably in the top 3 biggest. Other than in the pond. Thing is, I doubt the camera can see it though. I don't want to feed it a creek chub. Okay. It's a big one, Hayden.
You got it.
Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it.
I mean, think about it.
It's one creek chub. It's one creek chub. There are more, even though this is the more rare species in here, but they're... Yeah, this is a one site. I mean, the thing is, guys, about snapping turtles is you don't want them in these tiny creeks because they will eat all of the fish. When I mean all, I mean all. Okay, let's get it in here.
Try the other side.
I don't know where he's at, bro. Tell me where he's at.
Here, look. He's like right here. Look. He's right there. Like,
Is that his face?
well, no, I saw like that. That was where the bubbles were coming from.
Bro. Okay, hold up. I'm trying to see where he's at, bro. I can't see anything. Tell me if he chomps at it.
It's way far away from it.
Swimming away from it. Okay, I'm gonna go on your side.
Okay.
And see if I can cast it into it. Oh, I see him. Wait, he might be gone.
No.
Yeah, I don't see a shell. Do you see a shell?
Well, it's really murky right there.
But you could see him when he was
I think
there.
I see it.
But that's a rock.
Are you sure?
Yes, because I watched him move it with his fucking paw. This little claw thing, bro. Check on your side. See if you can see it over there. It can't have gone far. I'm going to take this dude off the hook.
I don't see it.
Dang, man. Let's get this guy back in the water. I don't see him either. Because, like, before you could see his shell.
Yeah. And you could see him breathing. He was vulnerable.
Where do you think he was? We walked down that area and we didn't see him.
That's crazy.
There we go. Creek chub. Going back in the water. See you another day. Whew. Okay, guys, so GoPro's about to die and fish aren't biting as much since the snapping turtle came in. You don't know where it was. Well, where it is now. Somehow it got away from us in 20 seconds. But it was a nice sized snapping turtle. But that was definitely one crazy adventure with tons of fish in it. So I'm gonna get home now, start editing it. Saw some bubbles, thought it was a snapping turtle for a second. But yeah, so we're gonna get home now, get onto the editing of this footage, and hopefully get this video out to you guys pretty soon. So see you guys in the next adventure, and maybe pond fishing next or something else, we'll see. But yeah, that's gonna be it for now. See you guys.